Best Anime Openings 2023. Number 1. Goten no Yumiya, Attack on Titan. Number 2. The Word, Death Note. Number 3. Garenge, Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba. Number 4. Unravel, Tokyo Ghoul. Number 5. Tank, Cowboy Bebop. Number 6. Again, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. Number 7. Departure, Hunter x Hunter. Number 8. We Are, One Piece. Number 9. Silhouette, Naruto series. Number 10. Kickback, Chainsaw Man. 11. Gotta Catch Them All, Pokemon. 12. 99. Mob Psycho 100. 13. Bokurano, My Hero Academia. 14. Fly High, Haikyuu. 50. Kaikai Kitan, Jujutsu Kaisen. 16. Crybaby, Tokyo Revengers. 17. Colors, Code Geass. 18. Renai Circulation, Bakemonogatari. 19. Hero, One Punch Man. 20. A Crew Angel's Thesis, Neon Genesis Evangelion. 21. Bloody Stream, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. 22. Home, Fruits Basket. 23. Battle Cry, Samurai Champloo. 24. Work, Hell's Paradise. 25. Idol, Oshinoko.